Naegleria, also known as brain-eating amoeba, is a type of parasite that enters our brain and starts eating our brain cells. After entering the brain of Naegleria, the chances of a person surviving are very low. Of the 157 cases of Naegleria reported in the USA, only 4 patients have been able to survive this infection. Accordingly, the death rate of Naegleria infection has been counted at 97%. So let's see why and how Naegleria infection occurs. Naegleria is a free-living amoeba, which mostly lives in warm fresh water such as rivers, water tanks, or ponds. When we swim in such water or perform ablution, this amoeba also enters our nose through the water. There are olfactory nerves in our nose that come from the brain, which provide us with a sense of smell. This amoeba enters our brain through these olfactory nerves and then causes an infection in our brain. Brain infection caused by Naegleria amoeba is called primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, in short PM. Symptoms: after entering the brain of the amoeba, the infected person begins to have a headache, fever, and vomiting. And as the amoeba damages the brain cells, the symptoms become severe and the neck becomes stiff. Fear of light begins, and then gradually the person goes into a coma, from where the chances of survival of the person end. Treatment: although this amoeba is present in very little water, but in the summer you should refrain from bathing in water. Because if this parasite once enters your brain, then it is very difficult to survive because there is no cure for it yet. Precautions to avoid Naegleria parasite: refrain from bathing in rivers. Use chlorine or salt in water tanks for ablution. Remember that this parasite does not enter the brain by drinking water, and neither is it transferred from one person to another.